What do we got here? A buck knife. Model 112 Ranger. The sheath, made in Mexico. The buck knives are made in the USA. The knife is made in the USA. It says it's made in the USA. Got the warranty card. I like this padding. This is smaller than the 110. That's why I got it. Same, what do they call that? Clip tip blade or the standard buck knife blade. Folding knife. It's got a good grip. It's got the little finger hold, palm grip. A little small for my hand, but still a good sized knife. The Buck 112, delivered today. Very cool. I'm guessing that most of you knife collectors out there know what these two knives are from Buck. They're both the classics. Something that everybody should put in their collection. I originally bought the Buck Model 110 maybe a month ago. It's starting to show a little tarnish on the brass. To replace my old working knives, my EDCs, EDC carry knives, working knives. I'm retired now, but I still like a good knife to have. Several good knives, actually. The Model 110 Hunter with the classic blade handle is an excellent knife for work and play and just plain having. And today, just in the mail, I got the smaller brother of the 110, the 112 Ranger. Once again with the classic blade design, brass bolsters, wooden handle. It's smaller in the hand, lighter, but of course it's not a pocket carry knife either. It's a sheath belt carry everyday knife. Real sharp blade. That's why I like that little bit of finger notch there to keep my finger farther away from that blade. I don't like cutting myself. That's a sharp blade. These knives are absolutely beautiful craftsmanship. Works of art. I would say just have them as collectibles and don't chew them up too bad, but that'd be wrong. You should use a buck knife. You should use any knife you get instead of hiding it away somewhere in plastic. Kind of a lesson I learned from an old motorcycle racer that built me a 1963 Tribsa pre-unit Triumph 650cc engine. Dick, man, everybody was taking his bikes and putting them in mothballs and collectibles. He told me he didn't want me to buy it unless I was going to race it. That's back when I raced Arma. And I have the same idea about these knives. Don't buy it unless you're going to use it. It's a working man's tool. These are great knives.